Hi, today I will show you how to replicate an image on Canva. So let's start at open your project and make a background for a project like a color or an image. I will look for an image. I will select this color, set image as background and go to the image again. We'll select this photo and go to apps and look for replicator. Choose this app and select your photo or image, then replicate. Exists other styles. This is just the linear style. Exists the great style and circular style and wave style as you want. You can add more for count the number of photo, and you can change the space also, and the slope as you want. And the rotation also, if you want to rotate the image, and size ratio also. And space ratio also. I can add the number of the photo also as you want, and add to design. Now it says your design. You can add more image, add to design, and it says the final design. Now download your design. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in next tutorial.